Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to quickly talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and one of the latest leaks that reveal a massive upgrade that a lot of people have been asking for and desiring for. Now let me quickly mention, for those of you who haven't been watching my Note 9 update videos, the release date is still highly likely to be early August, with several sources pointing that it is in fact August the 9th. It's going to be in New York in a Samsung Unpacked event, so we're not that far away. Now let's talk about this massive upgrade. So according to one of the latest leaks by the well-known and highly reliable leakster Ice Universe, we have been given the tip that Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is going to have a massive 4000 mAh battery capacity. Now the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has a 3300 mAh battery capacity, which isn't too bad, but for extremely heavy users it could run out of juice before the day is over. The Galaxy S9 Plus has a slight upgrade. It has a 3500 mAh battery, and the story is almost the same when it comes to real-life battery usage for heavy-duty users. And now we have a pretty reliable leakster saying that he is 100% sure that the Note 9 is going to have a whopping 4000 mAh battery capacity that will almost guarantee, even though we will have to wait for real-world tests. But regardless, I think the 4000 mAh battery capacity is going to guarantee a full day of real heavy-duty use without your phone shutting off. Now me personally, I don't care too much since I'm surrounded by chargers everywhere as well as power banks, but some people simply want a phone that they can charge and then use it all day without having to worry about any type of charging. It is certainly a massive convenience. So that's the big news. And the other things we know about the Note 9 is that this is what it is going to look like. These renders that I'm feeding into the screen were provided by another reliable leakster, On Leaks, and they're based on real factory CAD images. And as you can see, we have a horizontal camera alignment with fingerprint sensor at the bottom, centered on the rear panel. Now as you can see, it does not look too different from the Note 8 from all different angles. Now another thing is that the Note 9 is going to inherit just about all the specs of the S9 Plus with a few enhancements. But I am really excited that it is guaranteed to have the same dual stereo speakers on the S9 Plus with Dolby Atmos. So those are some of the important highlights in my opinion, and that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I want you guys to drop a comment down below and let me know how you feel and what you think about this. Are you excited about this massive battery upgrade, or like me, you don't really care because you are surrounded with chargers and power banks? Just let me know your thoughts, your concerns, and your feelings down below. It can be about anything regarding the Note 9, not just a battery. Alright, so make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH for more Note 9 coverage, and make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SAKITECH Online for the latest updates. Guys, have a fantastic day for now.